To add fingerprint into Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, just start by opening settings. Now keep scrolling for fingerprints, face data and screen lock, and open Fingerprint Unlock. Now just wait for a loading screen and you have to just input your standard screen lock. Click that you got it, and now what you have to do is just to put your finger on the sensor, on the scanner, and when you feel vibration you will have to lift your finger and basically keep scanning other parts. So as you can see in front of us, we can also find this animation that allows us to check progress. So when we fulfill this icon with blue color, it means that scanning process is finished, and now it's done. So click right here, and still you can add another fingerprints if you want. So you can add like multiple fingerprints from your both hands, for example. But yeah, that's basically how it looks. Thanks for watching.